When I was growing up, I didn't really talk much. I kept to myself. I was actually really, really shy. There were some people that were really close to me that were very critical of me. After a long time of that weighing on me, some of the criticism almost cost me my life. My name is Nick, and I am the Talent and Business Operations Manager at Sephora, Kennesaw. I am in charge of hiring talent, scheduling people, driving business initiatives in the store, keeping my employees passionate and loving what they do in makeup, skincare, and fragrance. I am a gay male. Growing up, I definitely stuck out like a sore thumb. It was a very rural community. I loved to dress very outlandishly. I wore platforms to school, all black. I took many drawing courses, photography courses. I think that's where I've always thrived. I started playing with makeup in high school. One day I took acrylic paint and I played with the paints on my face. Don't try this at home. I didn't know what body paint was. The interest just kind of grew and grew from there, and then it moved to what I'm doing now. I make time-lapse videos of body paintings. I just started thinking about messages that I could communicate, and then I was like, I'm just going to do it. I absolutely believe that body painting, makeup, and oil painting saved me. Up until about I was 17 or 18 years old, I was definitely bullied a lot. If you identify as gay, people fear that. That fear is what causes people to be demeaning to someone. It weighed on me so heavily because at that time I really didn't know who I was. It took a long time for me to sort of like crawl out of that, what seemed like a hole. One of the biggest things that helped me get out of it was creating art, painting, drawing. That medium honestly has saved me. It's always been really important to me to talk about struggles that other people in my life are going through. I recently released a series of 19 oil paintings that each tell a story. I've just been working to create work that is going to hopefully help other people that are on similar journeys. Honestly, I'm kind of obsessed with working at Sephora. I love the outreach to clients. I love the community that we've created within our store. I love being able to help clients through their own makeup journeys and making their day a little bit brighter. My team is amazing at that. We're definitely known for our client service. We're known for our kindness. We're known for that friendship vibe. If I were to be face-to-face with my 11-year-old self, I would tell him, wear that turquoise flamboyant sweatshirt. Be you. As long as you're living your life with kindness and you're expressing yourself in a safe and positive way, then live it up.